Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for joining me for another video. This week's recipe, chocolate pecan muffins. And let's get started. You'll need dry ingredients with all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. I'll have the exact measurements as well listed in the description box below. So set that aside and work on your wet ingredients. That's going to be buttermilk, oil, vanilla, and 2 eggs. Once you have those combined, start with the dry ingredients and then add the wet ingredients. No mixer necessary here, just a balloon whisk, and give that a nice combination. Whisk to combine. And what I love about muffins is they're just so easy to make and they're versatile. They're grab and go. You can take it with you to work or to school, so it's great for this time of year. Adding some chocolate chunks. I have dark and milk chocolate and some chopped pecans. So substitute if you want chocolate chips, if you like walnuts, you could switch that out. That's not going to be any issue at all. So I'd like to go ahead and give that just a gentle mix to combine. And I like the mix of milk and dark chocolate, but semi-sweet chips will work just fine too, whatever you have. All right, now that it's fully combined, grab your muffin tin and grease that with a little bit of oil. You don't have to use the muffin cups, they do not stick, you'll see. But I like this because it gives it that kind of crispy, crunchy texture that I really love about muffins. And you want to get this into about 3/4 of the way full, and the chunkier, the fuller, the better. So add more chocolate if you like it super chocolatey. And so I like to top it off with some whole pecans and some more chocolate. And that gives it that like muffin top crispiness that we just love so much. To ensure an extra golden crust, a little bit of sugar all over top. Then bake at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes until golden brown. There you have it. Easy peasy. You don't even need to let these cool. They're ready straight out of the oven. Delicious and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.